Good morning, students. In the second module, we will learn about the properties of inverse trigonometric functions. What are their properties? Means some formulas are there which you have to remember. And these are very important formulas. They will be helpful in solving your problems. Now, first formula is sine inverse 1 by x is equal to cosecant inverse x. You know that sine and cosecant are reverse of each other, but in inverse they are equal, but their argument will be reverse. If it is 1 by x, here it will be x. Sine inverse and cosecant inverse, they will be equal, but the argument will be reciprocal. It will be 1 by x and here it will be x. Similarly, cos inverse 1 by x is equal to secant inverse x. Third is tan inverse 1 by x is equal to cot inverse x. And this thing hold when x is greater than 0. And these two formulas for x greater than equal to 1 and x less than equal to minus 1. Now for the second formula, sine inverse minus x is equal to minus sine inverse x. For sine inverse and tan inverse and cosecant inverse, for these three, this minus symbol can be taken outside. Clear? And for rest three, cos inverse, secant inverse and cot inverse, it will be pi minus cos inverse x, pi minus secant inverse, pi minus cot inverse. Next formula is sine inverse plus cos inverse x. When the argument is same, then sine inverse plus cos inverse is equal to 90. Tan inverse plus cot inverse x is equal to 90. Similarly, cosecant inverse x plus secant inverse x is equal to 90. So these are the four formulas. Next, there are two more formulas, fifth and sixth. This is very important formula. It will be used many times. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y over 1 minus xy. And tan inverse x minus tan inverse y, this is equal to tan inverse x minus y over 1 plus xy. Clear? Again listen, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is tan inverse x plus y over 1 minus xy. And this holds if xy is less than 1. The product of x and y is less than 1. Similarly, tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x minus y over 1 plus xy. And the last, 2 tan inverse x is equal to sine inverse 2x over 1 plus x square, or cos inverse 1 minus x square over 1 plus x square, or in form of tan inverse 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse 2x over 1 minus x square. Again, this is very important. Now, on the basis of these formulas, there are some problems. See, first is tan inverse 7 by 24 plus tan inverse 2 by 11 is equal to tan inverse half. You have to prove that the sum of these two is equal to this. We will take left hand side. Can we apply any formula? Yes. This is what x, this is what y, and the product of these two is less than 1. So you may apply this formula. So after applying this formula, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is tan inverse x plus y over 1 minus xy. So after doing calculation, you will get tan inverse 125 by 250. It means tan inverse half, which is equal to your right hand side. Next question is, you have to prove 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 is equal to tan inverse 1 by 7. You have to prove this. 2 tan inverse half plus tan inverse 1 by 7 is equal to this. Again, 2 tan inverse x, you can apply the formula of 2 tan inverse x. What was in the form of tan inverse? So 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse 2x over 1 minus x whole square. plus this will remain as it is. So after solving this, you will get tan inverse 4 by 3, and now you will apply tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, because again the product of these two is less than 1. So you may apply that formula. So after applying this, you will get tan inverse 31 over 17, which is equal to your right hand side. So these are two problems based on your exercise 2.2. Tomorrow we will do some more problems based on this exercise. Thank you.